Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Manikeny again. If you are new here, you're very welcome. If you're already part of this fam, I appreciate you guys as usual. So today I'm moisturizing my hair using aloe vera. Before we jump into this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, okay?
It's Manikeny.
So guys, all you need is the knife and your aloe vera. So I have this, it's like a sock that I don't use anymore, but it has like little holes. You will see what I use that for. So I already started cutting the aloe vera, so I'm cutting the other side now. To make this easier, I'll cut this into two. So I've had this aloe vera in the fridge for a while, and I've never really had time to make my gel, so today, I'm like, well, let me do it before it gets bad. Now, I'll take this big spoon, take my mixer cup. I'm going to use a spoon and start scraping this down. Okay, so we have empty, flat green leaves at the end, of green walls. Alright, so now I'm going to clean my hands and we are going to blend this. Okay, so now it's ready to blend. I am not adding no water, no nothing. It's just all of the juice from the thing. You can see it here. This is where you need a bowl and the sock, anything you can sift through. So I am struggling to put this over this bowl. It worked. Okay, so we have this homemade sifter right here and a little mixture which is here. So I'm just going to pour this in here, and it's just to remove how do you call the thing? Any big pieces that were not blended. I'm going to remove them because since I'm putting it in my hair, I don't want the white pieces to stay in my hair. That is not good. So I'm going to remove. Ooh, careful. Okay, so I'm removing it so that I can press it out myself. So keep in mind that this aloe vera is older than a fresher one, so it's it's not that fresh. The fresher one would be a little bit more troublesome and drawy. I just didn't want to throw it away because it didn't look completely bad, so I was like, why not make my hair gel? Okay, so I'm pressing this, as you can see, through the sock, holding this part so that nothing comes out. This is what the chaffs look like, what did not grind, did not blend. Okay, so I'm going to put that aside. This came out more liquidy than I pictured it to, but this is what it looks like. And I would just put it in my hair before washing my hair. I'll put it and leave it to sit like 30 minutes in my hair and then wash my hair normally. Okay, so now I have it. So I put it in my hair already. I put it all of it, like it's left just this little bit. I don't know if you can see. Ooh, I poured it because I was trying to show you guys. But anyway, so my hair is pretty much drenched in it, soaked. I made sure that every strand of hair has it, and I can already feel my hair being a little bit more moisturized. It was super dry, I swear, really dry. And yeah, so now I'm going to leave it in my hair. I'll leave it in my hair for 20 to 30 minutes and then I'll wash it. I also have these oils. One is a macadamia oil and the other one is avocado. And I like to put oil in my hair before washing it. So I'm going to add avocado oil. will help lock in the moisture a little bit. Well, at least that works on my hair. Length check, yes. Shrinkage is real. It feels already really moisturized. It even looks moisturized already, like wow. Yeah, so I'm going to wash it and show you guys what it looks like after washing. So guys, I have washed my hair. Do not mind my dry lips. I haven't moisturized them yet. So it has been sitting in here for a hot minute. This is what it looks like. Shrinkage is real. You all saw the way it was long before this, right? And then now look at this. So, but this is just what it looks like after the moisturizing and washing. So I washed it with shampoo from Nature Box. So it has 0 silicone, 0 paraben, and I use the conditioner that matches it. Nature Box, 0 silicone, 0 paraben with macadamia oil. This, you know, you can see it's so soft and moisturized. I love this feeling. So guys, for those that have been following me for a while, you know I'm part of the curl convention that's going to be happening in Berlin on the 28th of September. So do not forget to get your tickets. My discount code is not valid anymore because it was valid in April, so you missed that, but it's not a big deal. Tickets are still to be bought. There are still tickets out there for you available. Make sure you buy, and then let's all go and attend and learn how to take care of these beautiful curls of ours, how to take care of this beautiful hair that this weather doesn't match with. So you come and learn how to take care of your hair in this German cold weather, American weather, European weather, wherever you live. And yeah, so let's come learn about hair and then let's party after that, okay? So guys, do not forget to like, share, subscribe. My next video will be somewhere here. I just like to do this to my hair because I love it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.